is K. Suresh Kumar. I am one of your October 21 Anthropology batch student. Actually, I am working, but time management is very difficult to me. Doing the job and preparing for UPSC is so much difficult, but I am very much motivated by your lectures, and you are giving very much your way of teaching is very good, and you are providing a very much important content of PDF material for anthropology optional subject. And I am very happy to say that I got first rank in the test 7 of anthropology, and I have received your award, and I felt very happy. I am very much motivated, sir, and I am thankful to IAS Vishnu Academy, and thank you, Vishnu sir. Thank you, sir.